Bruno, where are your presents? Huh? No, no presents there. Bruno, why is there no presents there, huh? Where are you going? What? Is that your balloon? Can't get it? There's no presents under the Christmas tree. I think Santa doesn't know what to get you. Do you want to go help Santa find something for you? Do you want to go to the store and find some presents for you? Yeah? Do you want to go? Yeah? Oh, we got itch. Which way to the store? Which way do we go to the store, buddy? Is the store that way? Do you need this? I don't think you need that, buddy. This one. And this one. Get that one right. Okay. Okay, let's go. Everybody, are you ready to wrap the presents? Santa's really busy, so we're gonna have to wrap the presents for him. Okay? No, we don't eat. Not yet. Not yet, buddy. We just wrap. Okay. No. Hey, no. Not yet. Santa. Santa lives in the North Pole, so we're gonna have to mail it to him, okay, buddy? Let's go. That's for Santa. It's okay, buddy. Santa will bring your presents later, okay? If you're a good boy, he'll bring them later. Alright, buddy? Okay, okay. I know you want them now. Merry Christmas, Bruno. How's my Bruno doing, huh? You a good boy? Come here. Come here. Yeah, you've been a good boy, huh? Buy you some presents. Buy you some presents. Here you go. Santa, you've been waiting for Santa a long time. Okay. A little PG-13. Come here. Get it. Oh my goodness. Hey, no. Come here. Go get your presents. Come get your presents. Give me my beard back. Give me my beard back. No. That's my beard. Here, got you some presents. Just give you some presents. Wait, sit. Here, here's a present for you, buddy. Sit. Here. Go open it. You already opened it? You want more presents already? How quick was that? Let me grab my camera. Oh boy. I wonder how long that's gonna last. Whoa, sit. Sit, be a good boy. Sit. Wait. Get it. Whoa. That was quick. What is that? Buddy? I'll show you. The treat. What is that, buddy? I'll show you. It's a treat ball? You got a treat ball? Did you want this? I don't know how I knew you wanted it. Okay, we'll open it for you. Let me open it for you, okay? 1 second. Okay. Oh, you want to open it yourself? Okay, that's a hard one to open. Is that good? Can't get it, huh? Ooh. You like it? Bruno, hey, do you like Christmas? Do you like Santa? Oh, you like those toys, yeah? Oh, something on the other side too? Nope, not yet. Yeah, you like those toys? You like them? You're a good boy. Who's your good boy? Alright, you play with that toy, alright? I'll clean up. Oh yeah, down to business. When you lay down like that, that means you're going to business, yeah? going down. Yeah, you happy? You happy? Is this what you always wanted? Look at you, hold it down with the two hands. Look at you, with your two paws, huh? Bruno, you're such a little piggy. Dude, buddy, I don't think you were supposed to get the whole thing out. You got the whole thing out? That's a cheating. That's cheating.